Yes. 유과.
선생님 여기가 자리인가요? 네. 오케이 여기서 네 맞습니다.
Today, like these days, Korean food is getting super famous, like very, popular all over the world, So I'm teaching like all different types of Korean dishes to different people. We normally just set the food scenes for the movies and dramas, and then this is something different that we've never done this one before. So if you're ever gonna watch the show called Chicken Nugget on Netflix, please remember me. You'll see my name on the credit too. So you can take picture with her later, okay? You wanted to help. Yes, that's how we do. Like bibim means mixed, and then pap means rice. So bibimbap is mixed rice, So we actually mix all the vegetables together with rice with the seasoning sauce later. Those are the 5 colors, So white, back in the day, we used to use mung bean sprouts. Do you know what mung bean sprout is?
Yes.
Yeah. Bean sprouts and radish. And you also can use white from the egg, So that's our traditional one. We normally just use it for the white color. But these days we use onion, easy. This is everyone's favorite, and then you can get it really easy. And then prepare easy. And the greens, we have our zucchini. And this is like traditional ones. We didn't really use it, but because lettuce easy to tear this apart. So we prepared lettuce, but you can use chives. Do you know what chives is? Chives. Everyone. Chives.
The greens.
The greens. Ciboulette. The French, they said ciboulette, something like that, So it's like the long, the green vegetables. But you can also use spinach, cucumber, any greens possible here. And we prepare this one, the zucchini, and this one, lettuce. And then we have the orange, but this is more likely our red color, So we have our carrots here, but you can use bell pepper, capsicum, paprika, the orange color. And there's one more red color placed on your table already. That's our red chili paste. So we have gochujang. So we have 2, like the red color, and the black. We have these mushrooms. We have today we prepared oyster mushrooms, but you can also use shiitake mushrooms, enoki mushrooms, any different kinds of mushrooms. So then we are seasoned with soy sauce and sesame oil, so it turns more like black color. Not finished.
Yes.
So let's do the onion first. And then just a pinch of salt. It can be like golden brown, like the the culinary arts, So, are you guys okay with onions, everyone? So like that. So how you know when the onion is getting cooked? It smells good already.
Yeah.
Or zucchini. Doesn't matter which one comes first now. I'll do this carrot here. Sorry, zucchini. And then just a pinch salt. But this one only few seconds because this is pretty light, So, but then carrots takes time to cook, right? So you don't have to put too much oil because we need to have a little bit of oil for every single veggies, So then now carrots. So like that, ooh. Pop that off like that. The carrots done already. Oil for now because the mushrooms will absorb so much oil. So because this is very watery, very moisture.
What's kind of good, I don't eat mushrooms. Is the
Soft now, and then the size is smaller. Yes, the size shrinks. And the sesame oil here. So it has more flavor. And then the soy sauce in here. So this makes your now medium high again. This makes your the mushrooms black color, So you see now it's changing, Traditionally we separate the yolk and white and then pan fry separately, and then we cut into thin, like julienne, thin strips, But then these days we make it fried egg and then we put it on top of our rice, So like we have our fried rice, the fried egg later. So then crack the egg and then just put it nice and pretty. Oh. Yeah. So, but then this is if you stay on medium high, burn. That is sesame oil and soy sauce already. So, and then high heat. Break the beef. Otherwise, you have the meatball like my chicken nuggets, So, like that. And this is done. Like that. So if there's no red meat, then it's finished already.
Okay. Thank you. Finally eating. 사이도. 자, 우리 스타피. Judy. Okay, let me change yours, cause
1, 2, 3.
kimchi.
Yay!
Video.
Yeah.
Video. Bibimbap.